Bangladesh. The arrest took place yesterday when the two were heading towards Dharmanagar. According to the officer in charge of Kailash Shahar police station, Sukunta Sen Chaudhary, the police successfully apprehended the duo during their attempt to cross into India.
అందులో ఎస్టీలకు పెద్ద ఎత్తున పోరాడి ఇవాళ పోరాడిన నాయకుడు నిజంగా జగ్జీరావు గారు సుమారు దాదాపు ఐదు శతాబ్దాలుగా మాజీ ప్రధానిగా ఉండి అనేక కేంద్ర మంత్రిగా ఉండి అదేవిధంగా ఏదైతే వారి యొక్క నివారణ
ইনফরমেশনের উপরে ভিত্তি করে আমরা সাদা পোশাকে অভিযান চালাই। আমাদের কাছে খবর ছিল একটা অটোতে গাড়ি ইলেকট্রিক অটোতে করে দুজন লোক, যেটা রোহিঙ্গা বলে জানা যায়, ওরা কৈলাসহরের দিকে আসছে। তখন আমরা ওদের পিছনে ধাওয়া করতে করতে আমরা গোবিন্দপুর ট্রাই জাংশন, যেটা কলেজ রোডের ট্রাই জাংশন, যেটা ওইখানটাতে আমরা আটক করতে সক্ষম হয়েছি এবং ওই গাড়ি থেকে আমরা দুজন বিদেশি নাগরিক এবং গাড়ির চালক তিনজনকে আমরা অ্যারেস্ট করেছি এবং গাড়িটাকে সিজ করেছি। তিনজনের মধ্যে দুজন ওদের স্টেটমেন্ট অনুসারে ওরা রোহিঙ্গা মায়ানমার লোক এবং একজন হচ্ছে
కేంద్ర మంత్రి కిషన్ రెడ్డి గారి నాయకత్వంలో మేము అందరం కూడా గ్రామాలకు వెళ్ళడమే కాదు, ఆశయాలను కొనసాగించడం రాష్ట్ర వ్యాప్తంగా కూడా త్వరలోనే పెద్ద ఎత్తున కార్యక్రమం చేపడుతున్నా అని చెప్పి చెప్తూ మరోసారి నివాళులు.
ইনফরমেশনের উপরে ভিত্তি করে আমরা সাদা পোশাকে অভিযান চালাই। আমাদের কাছে খবর ছিল একটা অটোতে গাড়ি ইলেকট্রিক অটোতে করে দুজন লোক, যেটা রোহিঙ্গা বলে জানা যায়, ওরা কৈলাসহরের দিকে আসছে। তখন আমরা